Good morning and welcome. It's Gillykube from a Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. And welcome to my art room, and thank you guys so much for the ones that have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it, and if you haven't done so, please do so. It's absolutely free. So I've set up these three, I think they're 20 by 20 canvases, so I'm going to try and do a Dutch pour across them, maybe even with the Aussie kiss, because I like mixing up the different techniques and have some fun with this. So I've just, my studio acrylics, the Mont studio acrylics, it was pre-mixed with some of the glue and water mix. My pouring medium and my suppliers is always in the drop down box. I have added a little bit of the Aussie Floetrol to this to thin it down a bit more. So I'm going to see if I can, I'll just coat my straight from the bottle. Let's see how it goes, if it's thin enough. Well, I think so. Maybe I shouldn't be doing all three at once, because that's showing that it's not level, but just tilting it around the canvas. Probably really runny, probably too runny, but never mind. And every time Louis the Fly makes an appearance when I'm going to paint, not that many flies up here until you paint, and then they all decide to join me. Not happy about that. Go away, I don't want you in my paint. Go and do your own thing. There's loads of cow patties out there in our paddocks they could fly on, but no, they come in and fly on my paint. So yeah, I'm crazy lady. Okay, just spreading this white out over those canvases. I want to push them together because I want to try and blow the paint colours that I'm going to pour on them. So I'll try and, not sure whether I use the mini blower because they're smaller canvases, or I'll try my bigger one. So just give it a go. Okay, I've watered these colours down, so I'll see. This is the Berry Delicious that I make up myself out of the dark red and phthalo blue. I haven't actually put any black in that particular one. Sometimes if I want it to go real dark cherry, I will add black to it, but I thought that was fine enough as it was, so I left it. Then I've got the orange that I've added some yellow to, so it gives it an even brighter kind of look. And I've got some of the turquoise. So there's no rhyme or reason why I've actually put them the way I've put them. I'm just trying it out. Oops-a-daisy. Nice, bright, vibrant, in-your-face colours. This was a bit of white that I had mixed up with just Floetrol, so I might just put a bit of that on here. See if it gives me any nice kind of lacing in it. Just try it, hey? Just try it. So here we go. Hopefully by the time, well, I'm pretty sure that by the time you guys see this, I will be on my jolly holidays. John and I are going away, leaving the kids to the house. Well, we haven't got young kids, we've got grown-up kids that are all left home, but so it's not a problem. And we're going away and having some sun, surf and sand and all that. Just using my little, I wonder if this will blow. Just let me try. Oh, there you go. Go away, you horrible flies. Oh wow. It's kind of not like your typical Dutch poorish, but it's quite pretty, isn't it? I'm going to add the heat to it. Wow, that's pretty, very pretty. Lovely, 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 lovely. Oh, I like it. Now I will use my straw just to blow some nice softness into it. Go away, what is... Oh, I like it. I need to come down this way a bit. Oh no, I just like it like that. I love it. Oh my God, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, how am I going to go a whole week away from painting? I just don't know. Oh, I'll have to take some of my pouring paints with me. And, oh, I love it. Simplistic. Now I want to do it on 3 big triptychs. I will put some art on at the end of it. I'll put some photos on at the end because it's a lot brighter than it's looking in this camera. But I love that. Simple, yeah, easy to do, lovely. I will add, if I haven't added it already to the front, I will add some photos of our gorgeous puppies that my followers have been following, which are now in their new home, so I will add some photos for you. So thank you guys for joining us, really appreciate it. Keep safe guys, and I'll be back next week, but there will be a video out every single day because I've done them, pre-done them, so when I go you still got videos. So thank you guys for joining us. Bye for now.